The most common terms used in animal breeding are trait and phenotype, and most of the students confuse these two different terms. What the trait is? Trait can be defined as a distinguishing phenotypic characteristic, typically belonging to an individual. In simple words, we can say any characteristic for which we can distinguish or differentiate between two individuals would be a trait. Any example for trait? We can say the coat color in cattle is a trait. What you can differentiate animals on the basis of coat color. Some animals might have red color, some animals may have white color, and some has black color. So you can clearly differentiate animals on the basis of a characteristic which is coat color. So trait is a distinguishing phenotypic characteristic. And what the phenotype is? Phenotype is what you observe or measure on the animal for a certain trait. Like in previous example of the trait, I said coat color is the trait, and what the phenotype would be what you observe on animal. What you observe was the color, either it is red or white or black. That would be the phenotype of animal. Likewise, there are certain traits which cannot be observed, which are the measurable traits. So for those traits, what you measure would be the phenotype of animal. For example, the height is a trait, and its phenotype would be what you measure for that height would be like 5.6, 4.5. That would be the phenotype of height. Likewise, for weight, what you measure is weight in kg, 40 kg, 40.5 kg. That is also a phenotype for weight. So here is an assignment for you. Can you define 5 traits of livestock species with at least 2 phenotypes? You can write it in comment sections.